Hey, I'm Seth Czerepak. Well, an AI version of me, on a course about AI copywriting, which is about what you'd expect. Here's the thing to notice before we start. The real Seth Czerepak wrote every word I'm saying. I did, the human one. This AI just delivers it. The skill is mine, the tool only carries it. Hold on to that because it is the whole idea behind this course. By the end of this free course, you walk away with two things. First, a skill. You'll know how to write words that make a stranger stop, understand you, and want what you sell. That skill is yours for the rest of your life, not your career, your life. It works on a sales page, a message to your kid's teacher, a pitch across a kitchen table. Words that move people move everything. As you master these skills, you'll use them to write everything from a two-line text that lands a client to a Facebook post people can't stop sharing, from cold emails that actually get answered to full sales pages that sell for you around the clock. And the first time you watch your own words come alive as likes, replies, leads, and money in the bank, you'll be hooked for life. Second, you'll have a customized tool, your own AI copywriting bot. You'll build it yourself one piece at a time as you go through the lessons. When you finish, it writes by your rules, on command. Skill first, then the tool. There's a reason it goes in that order, and you'll see it in a minute. Taking this course will be the single most impactful decision you'll ever make as an entrepreneur. Copywriting is the most profitable skill in business. Everything a business does runs on words doing a job. The ad that gets the click, the email that gets the reply, the page that gets the sale. When the words work, the money follows. When they don't, nothing downstream can fix it. So why listen to me about this? I've spent nearly 3 decades building and refining the most thoroughly tested system for persuasive copywriting on earth. Breaking it, rebuilding it, proving it, with real money on the line every time. And I didn't prove it from a stage. I proved it in the trenches. More than 30,000 hours of coaching, one-on-one and in small groups, on live calls every single week, looking at real numbers with real business owners, thousands of live campaigns, hundreds of niches. When something missed, I couldn't hide behind a good-sounding slide. I had to fix it, and fast, because people only keep showing up and keep paying when the system keeps delivering. That is a different kind of proof than the guru who sounds great from a stage and never has to find out if any of it works. Plenty of people have logged years at this. That doesn't mean it ever worked. Mine works, and the proof has names on it. Dozens of my clients have hit 7 figures, and hundreds have had their first 6-figure year. One of my students wrote the copy for a funnel that pulled over $10 million. Others walked away from their jobs and went full-time on this one skill. You can read their stories in their own words on vqsuccess.com. 2 legends put their names behind my work. Dan S. Kennedy, the marketing legend who all the big-name marketers you already follow learn from and swear by, gave my system the only endorsement he's ever given a framework like it. And Les Brown, who I shared a stage with, raved about how my system sharpens your communication and turns your words into money. Then something happened I saw coming from the start. ChatGPT endorsed my system as better than the copy general AI writes on its own. And it did it on the numbers. It ran a blind test on itself. It wrote copy its normal way, then wrote copy using my framework across 4 different markets, and graded both without knowing which was which. Here's what it found. My framework didn't just score higher, it pulled a different kind of buyer. The standard AI copy pulled the buyer who needs his hand held, the one who shops on price, wants reassurance, and second guesses the minute after he buys. My framework pulled the opposite, the buyer who knows what he wants, decides on value, moves fast, and never has to be chased. And this is where plain AI copywriting puts you on the wrong side of the single most powerful high-stakes principles in business. Your words do more than persuade people. They decide which kind of person shows up in the first place. I call it buyer altitude. You already feel this, even if you've never had a name for it. The cheap hagglers and the endless comparison shoppers pile up, while the people who actually see value and gladly pay for it feel rare. That is altitude. Your words are doing it, whether you meant them to or not. Low-altitude buyers haggle, stall, need their hand held at every turn, and vanish the second someone cheaper shows up. High-altitude buyers know their own mind, say yes fast, pay full price, and stay. Same product, same funnel. The only thing that changed is who the words let through the door. Now here's the part that will set you free. You are not persuading a cheapskate into becoming a big spender. It cannot be done. Persuasion does not reach that deep. It cannot remake who a person is. A price chopper was a price chopper long before he ever found you, and no clever line turns him into someone who buys on value. Put a bargain hunter in the finest steakhouse in town, and he will still order the cheapest thing on the menu. So the game was never about convincing the wrong people harder. That is the losing game most copy plays, and it will quietly eat your life. The real move is the opposite of pushing. You are not changing anyone. You are choosing who walks through the door. That's the deep problem with raw AI copy. Left alone, it drags in the crowd that costs you the most and pays you the least. What I teach flips it. You write the words that call the right people forward and let the wrong ones scroll on by. Better people, cleaner sales, less of your life spent chasing. So the most popular AI on earth put its own writing next to mine and picked mine. Craft first, tool second. AI can't fix what you don't have. So here's how the course works. And the voice taking it from here is the one that'll guide you through every lesson. So get to know it.
This course is built in 3 parts: energy, clarity, and humanity. Together, they teach you how to use AI for copywriting the right way. You've read copy that was spelled right, punctuated right, and still dead on the page. Nothing moved. That's writing with no energy. Energy is how you make words hit. Strong verbs, short punches. The sentence does something instead of just sitting there. You've also seen content and copy that grabs a little attention, then loses it just as fast. That happens because of the #1 sin in marketing: confusion. You read it twice and still had no idea what they were even selling. Or you wrote something that was plain as day to you, and a total stranger just blinked. Clarity is how you make that stranger get it on the first read, with no second guessing. And there's the last one: copy that's clean, correct, and clearly written by a machine. Flat, same beat every line. You can smell it in 3 sentences. That's writing with no humanity. Humanity is how you make it sound like a person, because people don't buy from robots. 9 short lessons across those 3. Each one teaches a single move Seth uses on real copy every day.
That's the map. Now here's what you build with it. Your bot. It's your own, built by your hand, 1 brick at a time, and it writes the way I'm about to teach you to write. Not a prompt you grabbed off somebody online, yours. If you write copy for a living, this becomes your secret weapon. You work faster, you hit deadlines without cutting corners, and what comes out of the bot you built can be sharper than what you'd sweat over by hand for hours, because every rule you drilled is already baked in. There's a bigger door here too. Once you can build your own bot, you can build them for other people. That's a rare skill, and it pays. I'm not guessing at the number. People have paid me and my students $10,000 to $20,000 for a single project, and a build like this can take as little as 10 hours. 30 at the most. You learn it here, on your own bot, first. So, how does each lesson actually work?
In every lesson, you'll do the same few things. You'll watch Seth make the move, live, on the screen in front of you. You'll take a quick quiz so you know you've actually got it before you move on. Pass the quiz, and you unlock a specialized block of code. Seth calls it your builder block. You copy it and paste it into the AI of your choice. Here's the fun part. Each builder block snaps onto the one before it. Lesson 1 hands you a bot that catches weak, flat sentences and fixes them on the spot. Every lesson after that adds another move, and you watch your bot grow up right in front of you. By the end of this free course, that stack of blocks has become a working editor that runs every rule you learned on any copy you feed it. You didn't download it, you built it, brick by brick. That's why it works, and why it's yours for good. Go in order. The blocks add up to a real tool only when each one has the ones underneath it to stand on. Skip ahead, grab a later block, paste it in cold, and it just sits there and does nothing.
So take your time. I know the pull is to sprint to the end and grab the finished bot. Fight it. The people who stay stuck are almost always the ones who lose the thread between the small move and the payoff, so they quit right before it clicks. Every move I teach you, I'll show you what it changes, the before and the after. You watch the result happen so you always know why you're doing it. And here's what you're really in for. Do the work, lesson by lesson, and over the next few months, something starts to shift. You'll feel it, not just in how you write, in how you talk, in how you hold a room. People will lean in when you explain something because the words finally come out clean. It works like learning an instrument or a new language. At first it's clumsy, and you think about every move. Then one ordinary morning you wake up fluent, and you can't even name the day it happened. You'll catch yourself writing a full page in one pass, sharp, done, and wonder how it ever felt hard. And the results follow, real ones, in your income, in your business, in the way you walk into a conversation knowing your words will land. So go one lesson at a time in order. Don't race for the bot at the end, because the bot is only ever as good as what you put in it, and what you put in it is you. Stick with it, and you leave with both. The skill that changes how you write and how you speak for good. and a tool you built with your own hands to prove you have it. Let's get started. Go to lesson 1.